Markup and the different uses for it. So in FacilityQuest, to access Markup, you're going to press the edit button and this ellipses right here. To keep the box round, you're going to move the layers box. It can move anywhere on your screen. Markup comes equipped with layers. You can add, I'm going to call this Ada's layer. And I need to unlock the layer. And to draw a line, you can press Option, click for a line, and Option Shift for a box. These boxes can be used to indicate things like this room might be in a certain neighborhood or in a certain category. You can use boxes to cover different objects that no longer exist on your floor plan, or to indicate certain areas of interest, and they can contain notes as well. If you're looking for a specific box within a certain layer, you can press Options, the eyes, and you can stop seeing the boxes and lines. When you shift to different layers, the items on the layer will blink. To access the different layers, you'll have to unlock the layer. Multiple layers can be unlocked at the same time. You can go into them and I can write a note. And those words will show up in the box. It has multiple uses for labeling as well as indicating questions somebody might have or communications with your team.